Building momentum is fundamental if you want to be successful in anything you do. See, the big problem that people make when they're trying to go for their goals is they get one win under their belt and they celebrate too early, or they get one loss and they fall apart. And the reality is, you got to build momentum over a sustained period of time in order to truly be successful. So today, we're going to talk about how to stay in that zone so that you can be successful and build momentum over a long period of time in a sustained way. Hi, my name is Riaz Sidi. Thank you so much for tuning in on videos about business, growth, and mindset. If you're interested in more videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification to stay up to date on all of our videos. Building momentum. Why is this so important? Because any success that I've seen other people accomplish, or any successes that I've accomplished, have come through sustained momentum built up over a long period of time. See, I think the problem a lot of people face is they try and chase quick wins early, and then they blow them up in their head so that in their mind, they think, oh yeah, I got this little win and it's really a big win. And then they wonder why they are so quickly disappointed when things fall apart. And the problem is that they're not building momentum in a sustained fashion over a long period of time. I went to the gym this morning, my personal trainer, and upon leaving, I was super pumped up. I was like, you know what? We're building momentum. I'm pushing, and I was like, you know what? Next time we should, go harder. I'm getting kind of bored with this. And he said, wait a second, Riaz. Wait a second. You can't decide when you're ready for the next level. Your body will tell you, and your body will tell me when you're ready for the next level. Not when your mind tells us and when your mouth tells us. And I kind of sat there thinking, okay, that's kind of interesting, because you would think if I'm telling my personal trainer, hey, I'm ready for more, he's going to give me more. But in fact, he said the opposite. He said, slow down, because the last thing you want to do is take on too much, because then you're going to fail, you're going to fizzle, and you're going to hate coming here. And it's very, very true. For those of you who have ever tried creating a YouTube channel or videos, starting a business, trying to build an online presence in some fashion, or a hobby, and it fizzled, it's probably because you got too excited too quickly, and then it fizzled out because you were trying to chase that initial excitement. And I think that is what's really fundamental between people who fail and people who succeed. They're able to build momentum over a long period of time in a sustained fashion. So, what can you do to build momentum? The first thing that I'm going to focus on is actually handling rejection and being able to understand that failures and small failures are going to be part of your progression as you kind of rise and build up in momentum. You're going to have off days, you're going to have losses, and you're going to fail at whatever task you're accomplishing. I mean, this video I'm trying to make right now, I changed the topic, I changed everything about it because I was just, failing over and over and over again. And I thought, okay, let me just speak from the heart and go that way. Other times you may feel that you're failing because you are, not on the right track. You're not in the right mind frame. And that's going to happen, and that's okay. But what you have to do is really put the effort in to be sustained over a long period of time and ride out those bad days. Another reason why people aren't able to build momentum, as I mentioned kind of briefly, is that people take a small win and they blow it up in their head and they say, this was an amazing thing. And they kind of, have a bit too much pride about that small win. That is until the next time when they fail, or they don't do as well as they did that previous time. Maybe they did well, but not excellent. So being here doesn't feel as good as it felt being over here. So then they kind of take that loss and they are over emotional about it, and they're never able to build that momentum back, because that pinnacle of that one great day is they keep trying to chase it, not realizing that they're on the journey. So don't be bothered by the failures, accept them and embrace them, and then don't celebrate the wins too early. And I think the last point I want to make today is the analogy that I use, which is the roller coaster. Sometimes when you are trying to build momentum over a long period of time, whether it's running a business, doing YouTube videos, what have you, you're gonna be on a roller coaster. In my business, for example, I might be on one meeting where I get terrible news, and and then on the next call I have to put it together, and maybe it's amazing news. And I think the difference between people who build momentum over a long period of time and those who fail is that they realize that this emotional roller coaster that you're on is dangerous. It's going to cause anxiety. And so instead of being in the roller coaster, you want to be the track. You want to lay the track and build that track as you go along. Just like with my personal trainer who said, hey, slow down, because if you go too high, you're going to fall too quick, right? So don't be the roller coaster on that emotional roller coaster. Be the track, be chill over a sustained period of time, and grow slowly. Because if you grow too quickly, there's a big risk of you shrinking very quickly as well. So recognize that failure is going to happen, and don't get too down on yourself. Recognize that wins are going to happen, and that after a win, you might not have as big of a win for a while. And so stop trying to chase that big win again. And the third one is don't be the roller coaster, be the track, stay chill, build momentum over a long period of time, and you will do great. My name is Riaz Sidi. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, and I will see you next time.